हेलो वेलकम बैक टू सीरियल स्पोर्ट्स। आज लिवरपूल फुटबॉल क्लब के पर्सपेक्टिव से जो दो इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें हुई हैं उनको इस छोटी सी वीडियो में आई विल ट्राई टू कैप्चर। सबसे पहले यर्गन क्लॉप की एक बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस जो कि आई एम श्योर विल गो डाउन एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट entertaining and a little bit controversial press conferences that he has had in his career with Liverpool. And the second important thing is that our women's team will have a new home stadium from the next season, which is the St. Helens Stadium, which is located in the Merseyside itself. So, पहले बात करेंगे हम जर्गन क्लॉप की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में। मूड में आए थे आज क्लॉप, नोटिस पीरियड सर्व कर रहे हैं, उस एम्प्लॉय की तरीके से बिहेव कर रहे थे। ही डिडंट गिव अ डैम अबाउट एनीथिंग टुडे, ही जस्ट केम इन अ मूड। एक कॉफी का मग हाथ में लेके he came and like from that first moment, the first question he was, it felt like he's in a mood today. So a lot of things that he spoke about. सबसे पहले तो साला वाला controversy, I just want to clear it out. उन्होंने कहा है कि since Salah and Klopp have known each other for so long, obviously there is nothing, no negative energy there. It's all cleared out. वो एक दूसरे को इतनी सालों से जानते हैं. They have a lot of respect for each other, so it's all cleared out now. सेकेंड उन्होंने फिक्सचर्स के बारे में बात की जहाँ पे टीएनटी का नाम आया. उन्होंने बोला कि फिक्सचर्स आर ऑफ कोर्स लिवरपूल हैव हैड द 12:30 p.m. fixtures so often this season, and it's all very difficult for him. So उन्होंने कहा that he had a call with TNT representative the other day, and he's never going to go back to that channel, and they can take him off the subscription. And उसके बाद he's like कि कोई legal action तो नहीं लिया जा सकता ना इस basis पे. So like a little bit of here and there, he was trying to just be himself and just being in that mood. He spoke about, like, while talking about the fixture congestion, he spoke about how presently England की कोई भी team नहीं है European League में, and he mentioned that it's not because Premier League teams are not well or they don't play well. It's just that they are overplaying. And even that PNP remark was on the basis that, it was told to him that you are paid to play football. But Klopp differs to that. He says that, you get paid because of us playing football. So, the old debate that he's always had was there. And yes, so he said that ऐसा नहीं है कि Premier League teams are not good enough. It's just that on that particular day they were not good enough, and it's that there are so many games that they have to play, which will of course increase from next season as well. कि players are overworked, and it's just showing in the games that they play now. Then he spoke about injury updates. VVB has not trained. Jota has not trained. Bradley is back, so he should be on bench on Sunday. Let's see. VVD ने आज जब press conference के बाद भी there was a training. I don't know if he trained in that, but looks unlikely that VVD will at least start against our game on a game against Spurs. Let's see how that pans out. And yes, mostly that's what were the things that I've covered, right? Let me just quickly think. Yeah. अगर कुछ याद आएगा बाद में, then I can maybe come back to this. Then the second big thing that happened today is, of course, that our women's team has a new home stadium. A couple of days or weeks maybe after I created a reel on where do they practice and they play, change हो गया उनका home stadium. So I'll have to go back and create a new reel on this. But anyway, काफी टाइम से they were in the lookout of a new home stadium, which today was revealed that has been locked, which is the St. Helens Stadium. रग्बी टीम सेंट हेलेंस की वहाँ खेलती है, मेन विमेन. उनका सीजन हमारे सीजन से उतना ज़्यादा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट नहीं करता है, सो वी विल हैव the stadium just exclusively to ourselves for the majority of the season. The intention is also to have a lot more games at Anfield. Let's see how that pans out. पूरी तरीके से ये 10 ईयर का लीज स्पैन है, तो पूरी तरीके से स्टेडियम को रिवैम्प किया जाएगा to give that Liverpool vibe to it. from like from providing better retail structure to enhancing on the food and drinks and music to revamping the entire dressing room area. जो पहले नहीं था, the Liverpool team did not have a dedicated dressing room for match days, but now they will be having a dedicated Liverpool training room for the match days. And and of course, the most important thing out of all of this is that the pitch will be as per Premier League standards. Just pitch की वजह से even the rugby teams of St. Helens will be able to benefit from. But छोटी से बड़ी चीज़ों का ध्यान दे रहा है हमारा क्लब, which is a good sign. पिछले साल सितंबर में ही the women's team moved to Melwood Training Center as their training center. So, and now we have a home stadium as well for the next 10 years, which we can, use to attract more audience to watch our games. So, good step in the right direction. Everybody in the club is happy. ये भी बोला गया है कि सबकी सहमति के साथ ये डिसीजन लिया गया है. Players से लेके coach से लेके stakeholders, all were important. In fact, there were also apparently polls done to ensure that we are taking the right decision as per what fans want and as per what all the stakeholders want. So that's a very good sign that I personally like really acknowledge and appreciate. हमने acknowledge ये भी किया है कि Prenton Park में हमने almost 6 से 7 सीजन स्पेंड किए हैं. So a lot of time was spent at Prenton Park. And next Sunday, sorry, coming Sunday, Manchester United के against हमारा last home match होगा at Prenton Park. So end of an era, in a way we can call it, and start of a new era from the next season. So yes, these were the two things that I wanted to quickly cover in this particular video. And I hope I have not missed out on the Klopp perspective alone. Let me just give me 5 seconds to just. We spoke about Salah, we spoke about Champions League, we spoke about TNT, we spoke about fixture overcrowding. Yeah, mostly we did cover. हाँ, साइमन के ऊपर भी उन्होंने थोड़ा सा, साइमन होपर के ऊपर भी उन्होंने थोड़ा सा जोक मारा था कि लास्ट गेम पे थ्रू आउट द एवर्टन गेम ही वाज just around Klopp, and that was also a factor where he could not really think properly. And Spurs' previous match was a little disappointing for us. Not a little, yeah. Let's just be honest, it was very disappointing for us. So let's hope that things work out in our favor on Sunday. Very important day for us Sunday क्योंकि हमारी women's team खेल रही है, हमारी men's team खेल रही है, and there will be a watch along for the women's team, as I had already mentioned before. So I hope that you guys tune in for that, and in that watch along we'll also discuss the match against Spurs and try to talk a little bit about that. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll never walk alone.